Yes, students, now subtraction of the rupees and paise we will do in exercise 11.3. Here you can see already the statement is arranged in sum number 1. Here rupees and paise are already arranged. Now we have to do subtraction. Here we will start 7 minus 7 0. 1 minus 6 is not possible, so what we will do, we will take 1 borrow from 6. Here it will left with 5 and here it will become 11. 11 minus 6, here will be 5. Now 5 minus 5, it will be 0. 5 minus 1, it will be 4. Yes, like this we will do the subtraction of rupees and paise. Yes, now let's move to next part. Here 0 minus 0, 0 is there. 7 minus 6, 1 is there. Here 4 minus 5 is not possible, so what we will do, we will take 1 borrow from 7. Here it will become 14 and here it will be left with 6. Now 14 minus 5, 9 and 6 minus 3, here it will be 3. Yes, now C and D parts you will do by yourself. Now let's move to sum number 2. Yes, write each of the following in columns and find the difference. Yes, find the difference means we have to do the subtraction. Now see how to arrange the statement here. It is written rupees 25 and 50 paise from rupees 50 and 75 paise. Yes, students, as already you know, while doing the subtraction we need firstly bigger number and after that smaller number, then we can do the subtraction. Here you can see which is the bigger, rupees 50 is bigger. Yes, so here we will write the firstly bigger number. Yes, this number we will write firstly, then we will subtract it. 25 rupees and 50 paise we will subtract from this. Yes, means here we have to do, agar hum find the difference, if we add here subtract, अगर हम यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्ट वर्ड यूज़ कर लें, सब्ट्रैक्ट 25 रुपीज़ 50 पैसे फ्रॉम 50 रुपीज़ 75 पैसे. Yes, so this number is to be subtracted. This number is to be subtracted. और जो नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट होना हो उसको हम सेकेंड नंबर पे लिखते हैं. Yes, now see how to arrange the statement here. Yes, sum number 2 is there. Subtraction sums. Yes, A part is there. What is the statement of A part? Rupees 25 and 50 paise from rupees 50 and 75 paise. So here firstly we will write this. Yes, rupees and paise. 50 rupees 75 paise. Then 25 rupees 50 paise. Then we will do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5 is there. 7 minus 5, 2. Then this is not possible, so we will take 1 borrow. Yes, 10 minus 5, 5. 4 minus 2, 2. Now 25 rupees and 25 paise left after the subtraction. Yes, now let's move to sum number B. Yes, now here is rupees 16 and 25 paise from rupees 20 and 20 paise. Yes, so here firstly we will write rupees and here we will write paise. Yes, so this is the from. Yes, from means this is the first number. Yes, here we will write 20 rupees and 20 paise and it is here 16 rupees and 25 paise. Here 0 minus 5 is not possible, so what we will do, we will take 1 borrow from here. Here it will left with 1 and here it will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5. Now here 1 minus 2 is not possible, so we will move to next digit. We will firstly we will make here 10 and here it will left 1. From 10 we will take 1 borrow here. Here then it will be left with 9 and here it will become 11. Now 11 minus 2, 9 will be there and here 9 minus 6, 3 and 1 minus 1, 0 will be there. Yes, now in this way we have done this subtraction. Yes, students, now I will tell you F part. Other part you will do by yourself. Rupees 37.29 paise from rupees 75 and 22 paise. Here firstly we will write rupees and paise. 75 rupees 22 paise, and here it is 37 rupees 29 paise. We will do subtraction. Yes, 2 minus 9 is not possible, so what we will do, we will take one borrow from here, it will left with 1, and here it will become 12. 12 minus 9, 3 will be there. Now 1 minus 2 is not possible, so what we will do, so here 1 minus 2 is not possible, so what we will do, we will take one borrow from here. Yes, and here it will left 4, and here it will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9 is there. Then 4 minus 7 is not possible. 4 minus 7 is not possible, so what we will do, here 6. Yes, then here it will become 14. From here we will take 1, it will become 14, and here it will left with 6. 14 minus 7, 7 is there, and 6 minus 3, 3 is there. Now what left with us, difference is 37 rupees and 93 paise. Yes, now in the same way students, you will do other parts which left. Yes, hope you have understood this concept, and other things left to understand, that will be clear when you will do these sums. And thanks, and have a beautiful day ahead.